Today in the Roddy's Kitchen, we are making this delicious shrimp and squash with garlicky butter sauce. Let's get to it. Okay, so for this dish, we are going to use about 10 cloves of garlic. You can adjust that varying on your taste of garlic. 4 sticks of butter. We're going to smash those up, mince them up well, and let them simmer. And we're going to slice up these yellow bush scallop squash that my wife grew in the garden this year. And we'll get those ready to steam. Just going to start the butter on low while I smash up the garlic. Okay, once you have a pretty good mince on the garlic, you can go ahead and throw it in the saucepan. I'm just cutting these up into quarters. Just try to make them all approximately the same size. This one obviously is a little bigger. So we're going to do some little more than quarters. You can use yellow squash or green zucchini. Turn our butter garlic mix up to medium. Okay, we're going to go ahead and put these on the steam. Keep them on low. Turn our butter up to high. Give that a little stir. Now this is salted cream butter, salted sweet cream butter. So it's going to have plenty of salt for this mix. Really, we're just making a yummy garlic butter sauce. Once it all gets melted down, we're going to get it up to where it starts simmering. See my wife's cute little carving? Okay, once everything else is ready, we're going to go ahead and saute our shrimp. I've got 2 pounds of deveined, rinsed, no tail, and I've had them sitting in the fridge draining for a few hours. You want them to be pretty dry. So don't rinse them off and then throw them in the frying pan, because all you're going to accomplish is steaming them and they'll get overcooked and rubbery. So we're going to take some paper towels. Keep an eye on your butter. Once it gets up to boiling, you want to turn it down. You see we've got a nice frothy boiling mix now. We'll try medium low. Little pieces of garlic that like to stick everywhere. Okay, we're going to spread out the shrimp. Even though they've been draining, still a good idea to try to dry them out. You can use a tea towel for this or something that's clean, like this kind of linen materials. I just find it easier to use paper towel. The Rotties are on high alert, waiting for the mama to get home. Okay, once those are good and patted dry, just going to set those aside. Get another bowl. Our butter garlic mix is simmering, slow simmer. Hot. It's not time yet. Ready? Okay, once your squash is ready, or zucchini, you can go ahead and give it a little salt and pepper to taste. Be light because we're going to be adding garlic butter sauce on top of it. When your garlic butter sauce has simmered a good bit and you can taste it, don't burn your mouth. But the garlic is nice and soft, good garlicky taste, and of course the yummy sweet cream salted butter. So a little bit of foam still left on it is where I like it. If you keep cooking it down, you're heading towards garlic uh, garlic ghee, which is also good. And we're going to use a little of that on our cast iron pan. Go ahead and start frying these shrimp up. Now the shrimp you want to cook fast. You just want to get them seared on the outsides, both sides. You don't want to have them simmering. Don't overload the pan because if you start building a lot of juice coming off of the shrimp, even though we've patted them down as they cook, some juice is going to come out of them. You want that to be able to steam off fast. That way it doesn't bog down the pan, and then you're just simmering your shrimp, which basically gets them overdone and a little rubbery. So we're going to get this good and hot. Going to put it on max sear, which is about 450 degrees.
Hello friends, Lorita here, aka the Mama, making a quick interruption to invite you to visit our Etsy shop where we have a few different pins and to let you know we also do custom orders. Now let's go back to the recipe.
My ghee is a little hard because I put it in the fridge yesterday. I don't know what I was thinking last night. When you make ghee, we'll do another video on that. But it's good to sit on the counter for a while. You've basically simmered all the water and milk solids out of it. It's got a higher smoke point. These little laser temp guns, pick them up all over the place. Amazon, Harbor Freight, and you know any place that carries tools. They're great for checking temperatures. Make sure you're in the approximate area. I want to wait till my pan has heated up fully. Be careful dumping the garlic from the sauce into the pan because when you're frying, it'll get burned and then bitter. It's good when it's in a brown stage, but cooks faster than your shrimp. A little bit of lime just to freshen it up. And there we go. Okay, so we're going to try a little of our squash. Little shrimp. Yeah. It's delicious. I, I can make that garlic butter sauce by the quart and just keep it in the fridge and eat it by itself. But yes, that makes it absolutely delicious. Mama, come give it a try. Bite of both?
Sure. Mm.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. shrimp is so moist, so
Let's
juicy.
see what the Roddies think. Come here.
Oh yeah,
Of course.
Roddies approved.
Alrighty, that's it. So, if you try this one out, it's a nice, easy work night meal. Doesn't take very long at all. Of course, you can make the garlic butter sauce ahead of time, keep it in the fridge, and squash steams up 5-10 minutes. Same thing with your shrimp. Make sure you put them out the night before so they're defrosted if you're not using fresh shrimp. Other than that, leave some comments below, subscribe, like, helps us out. Thanks a lot.
Thanks.